In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable an automation in ClickUp. ClickUp is a fantastic productivity and project management platform designed to help teams and individuals streamline their workflows. One powerful feature it offers is automation, which allows you to save time by automating repetitive tasks. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to activate an existing automation, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, sign in using your email and password or a connected account, like Google or Microsoft. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now, once you've signed in, make sure you're in the correct workspace where your automation belongs. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check that you're in the right one to avoid any confusion later. Next, locate the left navigation panel on your ClickUp homepage. This is where you can access all your spaces and projects. From here, click into the specific space or project where you want to manage automations. Once you're in the desired space or project, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You should see a lightning bolt icon labeled Automate. Click on this icon to open the automation panel. In the automation panel, select the option that says Manage Automations. This will take you to the section where all existing automation rules are stored. Now, we need to focus on inactive rules. Switch your view to show inactive rules. Depending on your ClickUp interface, this may be a tab, a filter, or a drop-down menu labeled inactive. Select it to display the list of automations that are currently turned off. Take a moment to review the list of inactive automations. For each rule, you'll see its triggers, conditions, and actions. This is a good opportunity to confirm that the rule you want to enable is set up correctly and meets your needs. Once you've identified the rule you want to activate, look for the Enable button. This might appear as a toggle switch or clickable button next to the rule. Go ahead and enable it. You may see a confirmation prompt or a Save button at this point. If prompted, confirm your action or save your changes to ensure the rule is activated. After enabling the rule, verify that it has moved from the inactive list to the active list. This confirms that the automation is now ready to run. For extra peace of mind, you can optionally create a test task that matches the trigger conditions of the automation. This allows you to check that the rule is functioning exactly as expected. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled an automation in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.